ono ma dwaso sam dwumadie so yenka ho asem if it 12 March afei 12 March I record the first 2 cases 12 March I record the first 2 cases Ghana ha any adidi di mo sa gra na fei I recorded 4 cases na fei ehwira ko 8 cases na fei edu 10 cases kakran afei ani ba ye ho so no na 20,000 near 2,000 ebi a lockdown no ankam but you declare lockdown brank of 4 brand Ghana ha yare yinti this is egu akwan so aban di mu akotene boka yesei you know na say wo boa pa emwe nyina chi ya tunia matwene caution has been thrown to the wind Omanpanini abakasa ya ofia say o easy restrictions ne kakra ma fei asore no kra no ye bebie but don hwere afei ye ne don hwere mienu nipa be ye wo ha na afei obi ahohoro ne nsa ne ade afei na kakra ye bie no ye de niam adi agro na ye me ya ne se afei akoya bato afei na afei politicians no a woman kasankasa na wo mo ebo dawro ye hwe ye ho so ye na ye nye sei no I mean look around. Look around. What do you see? Campaign rallies ahodwa ekoso. Campaign rallies ahodwa ekoso. Health walk ahodwa ekoso. Ani ni padodwa wamato am ho agum. Obi anfa hwe ho. Behunu chankupa na ye health walk na ni padodwa thousands of people no be answer mask. No be answer mask. Nyankopon na me born empire. In fact, if I have disappointment, I have disappointment in authorities who ngazangasa wo modin hyehyeye ba emrani ye hia na wo mask a ne ade ba ye wunie. Enforcement of the law. Akwayasem. Enforcement of the law akwayasem because person in one wa ba baby say kachi o mask wen na wachi wo no ebe wi ase na political party bi emu nipa enti yenyan no ene yade no sra ne yade sra ye ho kane na nka wo offices bi a asana be wura ho no e horo wonsa ne ade a check take temperature sane ma ni nyina no ato atwene ya to atwene o NSC active cases 1,156 and Roman penny quote 1,139 that was Friday up to and a penny by a Ghana Health Service one more site Esura na eko ko Germany me no ka say the lockdown Denmark and other European countries it's as one easy restrictions ne kakra bi no o say aman 40 yesim na Ghana had empire na mebo o hwe se ne amanfo emfa hwe ho Nyankopon no waba ye ho ban no ano wonko so ama ye ho ban nanso so sebe ese ye di eti adwuma sebe ese ye di eti ayi adwuma yare no anko ayo na saban no a waboa aba ye ho ban din hyehyɛ ye free water free light ne ade egu akwan so no so no nso amboa ma emra no wa ho ne antimi enfo so a ene na ka hunu adwuma hunu na ban no woye all in the name of politics. Enti yentungum sa behunu bas na ye ma be ye obi afa hwe ho na se ubedi nkunim na yare no atore ye nyina yase a oman na atompan no oman na atompan. Now if you look at the statistics, Greater Accra region and the top, Greater Accra region and the decline. Aso so na ba unam kromu na mdwom ni ade a obi amfa hwe ho. Mayan Fanusia. I'm a Fanusia. Last week, Anna police station ewo Adidome. Police station ewo Adidome. Ene tibia sesia sabi ejanan bia wo mkoso etie. Ni wie show no na mpanifo bi and nipa akubie ni bi am frame sa CJ na praise for no an say but look e ade ha dwen cause a praise for no so am boy ho ban no se ne awam famu ni a ha dwen obeko police barracks ana baby a praise for one tie adan nankasa wa mudam no adan wa mudam ani be bia barracks bia be ko bia how no ho that sabi police ni sore na ne yam kano a eje wa fase kan na wodi wuram kotutu fam oh be sha police no kura se kan aya ne se bia kwa akodo da bi okoye no huye wo hwe sania ejanan bia wo mkoso no etie gallons no mde ahye ase gallons kufo gallon a yetwa ne so no afri ho na eboma afei wo makohwe agu wo masande abesi ho. Pictures are ocean on Facebook says here. Sound it here. That's the situation. Niekoso Adidome. District Police Command. Eti woman to me nyamwa bia. Efrim retenting you see sa police barracks no. Situation no as if it is no na janan bia no na eye kakra anu wo abrante bia wo say ona na oba beyi adema wo mo abrante no afrim enje say approach for no ana wo mo twefo wo mo bo approach for no ana wo mo twefo wo mo bo and it is sad. It is sad. I didn't say this issue is peculiar to Adidome. What would you never better him? What would you so much wrong? And apparently, I'm expecting. I mean, we are still working on it. We know how to get our informations. Until I am Juma. And Krata, what much running in Ano, Mensabeka. Mesabeka. You see, these are some of the issues. Eba, na I say I don't know quite say what will say will be a juma because we me juma me na say me and I want frame me and Jimmy side of the story and sana we dey kwa radio so now kwa. We don't have that time. Say e juma na so wan shine ya. You will not get that luxury. Say, yeah, from your side of the story. You know what to do. Wouldn't me answer we? Wouldn't me answer we? Many assemblyman nebekasa. Na fe mi wiam he se menya MP no so a ono so mene no akasa. Na fe yakoyanim to the district police commander. Many on also akasa. Once a man gets to say, you know, it doesn't put the Ghana Police Service in a good frame of mind. So, Niaman gets be say. It's a ye pursue crack or be a baby, sir. I say, how dare you pursue me about bedding? Because a sabi baby, Benjamin and cry bin hot me no baby, sir. I imagine man me quite an by. Adwuma me call ya na me buy. It's a idea harding. Mamine Honorable Gabi Alex Hoto Woje or a member of Parliament Town Central Menino and Cheche and Como Honorable as you saying.
I can speak to you very well.
But what's be that from my
Let me speak English language. I'm not perfect at you.
All right. Honorable, the condition at the Dome Police Barracks with regards to their place of convenience, their toilet facility. Are you aware of the situation, Honorable?
I am not aware. I am not aware.
You are not aware.
Yeah.
When last did you visit the police command center, the district police command?
I was with the commander some few weeks ago. He is a new person, and I went and made acquaintance with him.
Okay, and he never mentioned the situation to you during your conversation.
He only spoke to me about tiles in his office.
Tiles
and,
in his office.
Yeah, because his office is not nice. So it's under construction. So I saw it and I told him that because I was busy campaigning, the campaign should be over and we'll see what we'll do about it for him.
Then the situation is very terrible, if you ask me.
I'm not being told.
Because as we speak, if personnel, a police person wants to ease himself, the options are that you either have to go to the bush with a cutlass, or you get a polythene bag and then you do your thing and then you dump it somewhere. This is the current situation. Honorable Member of Parliament.
Oh, okay. I have not heard this. Today is the first time. Nobody brought it to my attention.
Okay, so now you know. What are you going to do about it?
Now I know. But the situation is, I cannot do anything about it as we speak now. It must be after the election.
Why?
I have a lot on my hands now. There are some uncompleted projects that we earmark the little resources that we have for. It doesn't mean it is not important, but resources are going to be released for those projects. So as we speak, there is nothing. Now that it has been brought to my attention, I will see what we can do about it.
But in the interim, I think you need to take some steps. Having to engage the commander again.
Now that you have brought this to my attention, I don't think I'll leave it there like that. I'll follow it up.
Are you in the constituency as we speak? Or you are in Accra?
I am not in the constituency as we speak. I'm not in Accra too.
Okay, so when should we have another conversation? Because it's very important, Honorable.
I'm likely to be in the constituency by the end of the week, because I'm on an assignment outside the constituency and outside Accra.
But I understand there was another police station with similar challenge. And you were able to go to their aid. Is that correct?
That is Massive Police Station.
That's where
they brought it to my attention, and it was resolved.
Okay, which police station are you talking about?
They now have a water Kumasi Police Station.
Kumasi?
Yes, they now have a water closet.
Okay.
They now have the calculator. You can cross-check from the chief inspector there.
Jim FM. Right. Honorable.
And there is an impression I want to correct.
Yes.
The impression is that everybody looks up to the district assembly. And frankly speaking, resources are inadequate. And perhaps if they have some projects itemized for execution, and resources have been duly assigned to those projects, the DC as an individual cannot just stand up and divert anything, because these things are done by assemblymen. It's just like Parliament approving something, and anybody goes to alter it, and that is against the law. So the DC might have not refused, the DC as I know him, might have not refused, but maybe it was not brought to his attention at the right time for him to include it in the project, the important project, because he knows how important human a place of convenience is. So I don't want us to draw conclusion that the DC has refused. No,
Honorable, I have never mentioned anything like that.
Huh?
I've never mentioned anything regarding the the DC's refusal.
No, I spoke with someone earlier, and that was the position of that person.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. I get you perfectly, but please, I'll have another conversation with you, God willing, on Wednesday. That's when we have returned to Accra or back to the constituency.
All
yes.
Right.
Thank you very much.
Right.
Thank you very much.
Talking to you.
Thank you very much. Honorable Gabi Alex Hotoloje, a member of Parliament for Town Central. Nidine Mudu into Onfanchami. Mami Assemblyman so entering come Honorable Frank Zramado, Assemblyman at the Dome. Frank.
Hello, sir.
It's saying.
Hey, yo.
Bibia Boko.
Bajoan.
The Yamiasi. A giant piano at the Dome police station Hono. Unim Saniate.
Bajoan.
It's saying, what catch them? It's saying.
Assembly say, we police one Janano Yaya Bibia found Nasu found when you say a government what institution. This is government institution now. Assembly Najuma say, boy, Bibi found. Okay, I'm passing on much law Amamina. Umafemi Kotana Kohunu and Pacho said dislodging the Miwaka on the Mitreboamu. Ana mikasa se sekrampoa asaya ma medwi se se bia so no bia kakra mbetimi afa ka ba bebo amobio na so e wo building nkasa ho de e assembly na adwuma nti aka omuso aka ene se ye call your friend say sub committee a omu the way suggestion ba na me nso se me call ezekwa me do present the same program and I say budget na assembly so a ye debate fa ho as assembly was say bia omu ye budget the fa ho a na say umbetimi aye the so mu ye budget no man fan shame dia e ho the problem no nti unia no frame ye no ma frame district director ana me ka kire say be ye and the member district director nkasa ni number now no kasa fa ho because they are away at the end na o ma ye na be do say be we dia on the betimi akan directly and on the betimi akan ye Chemi assemblyman. Okay. Because mine to see the program and go and address at the assembly session.
Okay. Frank, for how long now why assemblyman?
Me pa chow afi we from 20 your friend say 19.
Okay.
That's 17th December.
And Krata saying abedi unsam efasa approach for adana bia hu.
Ekatami ba kunkwa na asu lucky enough no mina mi chairman for security and justice nti police for dem no mu na etina nti when they ensign here another letter bill ana nkata bill because they are in my committee and I'm their chairman. Are you getting me?
Me too.
So anytime we sit at assembly subcommittee meeting, we debate, we talk about this, and Semisu me call Zekwa, I do present the same thing. Nti after the assembly no kwan say, ombeye budget adi shame say, adi we ne kwakoye wo jana dia ana omu your friend say the what call the toilet say we ne beye. Up to now they have not made any budget about it. That's the fact.
Okay.
Mikael says, "Sebe ya minfa director number mamu. Na mu bisa on because our office is here. Now onu yebet nya kan ye. Oh yebet nya ye. Ah ye. Enye se ye. Sika ne ni what to say. Wakan dia na onu na eka. That's the only thing.
Okay. Sani awoka say wo waka betimi akwa akotwen. Wama you know and ya in the interim. Bomodin say obekọ ho. Na empa sana ebe se besi fufuro senso ebe nden no kwana kwatwema hom na hono ntimi ente kakra kwatwema hom anapayi a mefe na fe ma finance watimi akwatwe e de ama praise for no a
wa mo ya ha no ye nwanwa se na nkane no we ne time we ne dry season now so it's fortunately that we are having heavy rainfall in this November rather. It is what the canu back canu to me call the solar site no. Nti ebetwe kakra say bia 1 week atwam na nso na nta. Ndi emetimi aye bibia fa ho. Chi ndi emetimi atwe na so building the assembly na adwuma.
Mohonum disposal site na wahefa.
Ya bana site mi wo mienu ba ku wo so ko chawla. The main one no wo na so olusu asem kakra bi wo ho. Mugazamu ni masasem de masu yatwimasu assembly su say or hono using and asaseru ansu say yes assembly no meja asaseru from munche permanently na omu ya kat amfa ho ansa ne ye beja ho ma na ye be yuzu onunti onusu ye wonunsu na asu so ho eda ho na ya nya ye bibi amfa ho na asu say dry season bad ya apart from why etimi call baby foforo.
Well, Frank, Mesano Akasabio. Mesano Akasabio. Swati. Okay. Thank you very much. Frank Zamado, a assemblyman, Adidome, and a menino Akasano. And Yabetwaso. Na afe yashe. Say approach for no. One benya sabi, Janabia, a hote. Because me show me videos no kra baby a omoda no so e dan omoda mu no eno so kra me number me is 0206 9433 37 0206 9433 37 o frame mejo so tenkon apelfo mitiamo mube humanim nane tena ya ba site me ba be share adwuma no ase ache kura efiada na yewie nema ba kumienu bi enana twudwadwutwa ya kwan ma yatimi ayi ni nyina de afiri ho enti munya reshem mube hume na boho no so enche bia ye bewie na mususu manya nsupa de anom me number no 0206943337 0206943337 frame na fe yantwetwe nkomo frame na manfa send me message voice note WhatsApp and SMS baby a de be fa bia no ye beje me na fe ya kenkan me sanya kape me reply na fe oha hodo no nyina no